Good evening. Welcome to Design Technology homework number 3. This is about sustainability and is wood a sustainable material? Yes, I'm feeling a lot better from my man flu last week. Thanks for all your sympathy. I was very generous with those who were able to come and give me a pat on the back and a bless you there, sir. I hope you're all right. Hope you feel better soon. But moving on. Homework sheet, task 3. Here is the sheet. If you haven't got a copy of it, you've lost it, dogs eaten it, aliens have abducted it, washed away in a flood on your walk home. Whatever the excuse, you should be able to print off another copy from the email which I sent you, or you can come and pick one up from me in the workshop, or any of the other design technology teachers, or even the technician. We all have copies which we can get for you, so please just pop down and pick one up. To make my life a lot easier, can you please make sure you write your name on all the sheets? It's quite tricky when you don't, because I don't know who to mark as having done their homework, and I'm compiling a list of detentions for people who haven't, so you really do want you to know you have done it. Secondly, please make sure you have read all the sheet. I cannot stress how important that is. There are questions at the top here which you need to answer. There is an outline of how you can present your work. Here is a word wall to help you with some of your answers. Make sure you use some of these words. And here is the success criteria. If you've done all of this, you have got a successful piece of homework. So I'm going to go through these, just help you with the questions so you understand. First, here it is. Wood is a sustainable material. Simple statement. Is it a sustainable material? Find out what that means. You will need to look this up, okay? You need to know what a sustainable material is to answer these questions, so you'll first need to look it up. Now, you could look it up in Google, you can look it up in lots of places, but you really do need to understand what it means before you try and explain it. Einstein said once that if you cannot explain something simply, you do not understand it well enough. Saying Google, I'd like you to actually look a little bit beyond Google and Wikipedia. Cut and paste from Wikipedia, cut and paste from any other website isn't really good enough. It needs to be in your own words. The reason is I want you to show that you understand what it means, and that's quite important because that's what this homework's about, helping you understand that. So look beyond Google. The library's a really good source. There are some very good books in there. The librarians are always really helpful. They can help you find some books and direct you to the correct sections and stuff. So please use those resources. I'm not saying Google and Wikipedia are bad. I'm saying you need to look elsewhere as well for really good research. So here we go. Some questions up here. Why might it be good for the environment to make things out of wood? Can you find any reasons why wood is considered an environmentally friendly material? You should be able to find at least 5 different reasons, okay? If you're not sure, count them off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 when you write them down. And can you find examples where using wood might be bad for the environment? Now, there are quite a few cases. I can think of a few now. So you need to try and look that up. So this is part of your research. Look at all this information and present it. Now, I'm looking for a really nice quality piece of work. I'm looking for something well presented, something easy to read. So use your PowerPoint, use your pictures, nice neat handwriting, whichever way you want to present it. Good quality presentation. I'm actually still waiting for my first video homework. You never know. Could be this time. Right, here's to help you. Success criteria at the bottom. If you can tick off that you've done these, you will have a successful piece of homework. So you've carried out the research that lets you answer all the questions above. We'll know that because you'll have answered them. Every question you've answered, you've given examples. That's really important. It helps to illustrate your understanding. It helps to show that you do understand it. Pictures as well to help explain your work. You think of all the really good textbooks that you've got, they all use pictures to help illustrate the text, the writing. They don't just have lots and lots of words, they have pictures. Someone said, picture paints 1,000 words. So try a nice balance, good lot of writing, your own words, and some pictures. Good standard of English, correct spelling and punctuation. Get it checked, have a look over it. I mean, spelling's not the thing I'm best at in the world, so I get people to check it for me. I use spell checks. It's worth doing. It shows that you're caring about your work. And then finally, have you used words from the word wall in your answer? There's the word wall here. Someone in the last lot of homeworks had a really good idea, which I think I'd like you all to try. What they did was they went back through their homework and they ticked off the words that they had used. And that gives you an idea. Oh, I've used those, but what's that one there? Why haven't I not used that one? Why is that important? And maybe go and find out. So it'll help you really move your homework forward. I hope this helps, and I really do look forward to marking the rest of your homeworks. Have a good evening, and if you are still unsure, any problems, don't hesitate to pop down and ask me. My first thing I'd like you to do is have a really good quality homework, and if that means you come down and ask me for extra help, I'm more than happy to help. Good luck. Good night.